It's another night of creative work for us. Let's dive in for another night of creative practice that we are going to do with my plain paper and a blue ball pen. This is a one way of practice that I'm doing for myself and doing my sketches to improve more, and also it's a way that I can share to you how I'm doing my sketches. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Mostly what I'm doing is creating some fine line sketches, like a 2-dimensional line sketches, to see the proportions, to check how it looks, and in 2-dimensional way, so that I can determine. And also it's my way also to figure out how the design will look. And it's another way also for me to add some elements on the design. There are plenty of things that there are plenty of guides or way how to create sketches, how to create perspective sketches, and it's an acquired knowledge, acquired skills that we can learn. I hope by showing you these sketches that I'm making, somebody can learn from it, or somebody can see, and it will be a guide for them, especially for those aspiring artists that aspiring designers, aspiring artists that wants to improve their sketching skills, sketching abilities. Then this might be a good channel for you to learn something. I will try to post videos maybe twice a week, or maybe more, to show you more and to share more my skills, and also to improve my skills on doing more sketches. I've been doing the sketches for almost 15 years, and I think there are lots of things that I need to improve also. So I would love to hear from you guys, and I know there are people that are sketching better than me, so I would love to learn from you also. I also learned from my sketching skills from a senior designer that I have been working before I do I did the furniture designing work. So I was an assistant designer for a furniture manufacturing in the Philippines. So I learned from a senior designer how to sketch. He taught me, the senior designer taught me how to do proper sketching and all those things. And I was so thankful that I learned from him. And right, that's why this channel is, I think I want to share also the skills that I have learned from somebody. And if there's something that you want to know how I'm doing it, maybe you can message me or private message me, or you can comment on the videos that I'm doing, and I can explain it to you, or maybe we can have some conversation also. And if you think that and if you think this channel will help you or somebody else, then I think I would love, or I will be thankful that if you could share it, or you can hit like or subscribe on this channel, and help me grow my channel also, and help my channel reach more audience that is willing and to reach more audience that want to learn sketching. So don't forget to like and subscribe, or maybe you can recommend my channel also to other aspiring designers or artists that is looking for a channel that will help them to improve their sketches. So thank you so much for spending time with me on my channel and watching my videos. So and we'll try to share more videos so that we can help more young talents, young designers, and so that we can help them and make them more skillful with their talents. So thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully I shared something that is helpful to you and to your skills.